We can call a function inside a function. Let's see syntax. Def space function name 1 of colon press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Hash block of code pass press enter. Def space function name 2 of colon press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Hash block of code function name 1 of hash block of code pass. Let's discuss recursion. Recursion means a function calling itself. Let's see syntax. Def space function name of colon press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Hash base condition hash block of code function name of hash block of code. Recursion works on stack operation. That means last item into stack that will be out as first item from stack. Let's take an example finding factorial of n numbers. Def space factorial of num colon press enter. It automatically takes indentation hash base condition if space num is equal to 1 colon press enter. It automatically takes indentation return 1 press enter return num star factorial of num minus 1 press enter num equal to int of input of result equal to factorial of num print of result. Let's run it. I am giving input here 3. Press enter. See, the output is 6. In this example, I am removing base condition. Let's run it. I am giving input as 3. Press enter. See, the output is recursion error, maximum recursion depth exceed.